Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best handheld multimeter in this video? I will show you the top 3 best handheld multimeters to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more to find out more information about these products. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3 we've selected, UNIT UT1050DL. Specifications. Brand name, UNIT. Is smart device, yes. DC current, 10A. AC current, 10A. DC voltage, 1000 volts. AC voltage, 1000 volts. Model number, UT1050DL. Display type, digital display. Origin, mainland China. Frequency, HC, 10 Hz tilde 60 MHz. Bandwidth, HC, 100 kHz. The item number 2 is UNIT UT1050DL. Specifications. Brand name, Trust. Display resolution, 320 by 240 pixels. Display size, 3.0 to 4.9 inches. Bandwidth, less than 60 MHz. Digital channels, 2. DIY supplies, electrical. Origin, mainland China. Certification, CE, FCC, RoHS. Bandwidth, 25 to 50 MHz. On the top of our list at number 1 we have Handheld Digital Oscilloscope HO52. Specifications. Brand name, Hamatech. Record length, 8K. Model number, HO52. Real-time sampling rate, 250 ms/s. Display resolution, 320 by 240 pixels. Display size, 3.0 to 4.9 inches. Bandwidth, less than 60 MHz. Digital channels, 2. DIY supplies, electrical. Certification, CE.